Okay.
Oh, that was what I
Okay,
did.
so France here is going to demonstrate the new connectors and the different settings. The first setting he's going to test is the 25 newton meters worth of torque. Let's go.
And that is 25. Yep. Okay.
Okay,
Here, you can see it slipping.
Yep.
so that is the torque setting giving way at 25 newton meters.
And then this way you can reset it. And
So
the
now
position is back again.
it's reset and the clutch is reset. Great. Now we're going to now we're going to test the 35 newton meters on the adjustable settings. So a lot more force applied to 35 newton meters. And this one's set. And this one is set at 50 newton meters. As you can see, a lot more force where it gives way.